In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to Mailchimp emails. Whether you're looking to make your emails stand out or align them with your brand's unique style, customizing the fonts you use in Mailchimp is a great way to elevate your email marketing game. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the tools you need to upload your desired font and use it seamlessly. Let's dive in. The first thing you're going to do is navigate to mailchimp.com in your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, but make sure your internet connection is stable to ensure a smooth experience. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to either log in to your existing Mailchimp account, or if you don't have one yet, sign up for a new account. Signing up is very straightforward. Mailchimp will guide you step by step, so just follow the prompts to get started. Once you've logged in and are on your dashboard, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a navigation bar there. This is where you can access all of Mailchimp's tools and settings. From this menu, locate the link labeled Content and click on it. Don't worry if you're new to Mailchimp. The layout is user-friendly and designed to help you find what you need quickly. After clicking on Content, you'll see some additional options appear in a submenu. From here, select Brand Kit. The Brand Kit is a handy feature in Mailchimp that lets you store your brand assets in one place, including your logo, color palette, and, of course, the fonts that we'll be uploading today. Once you're in the Brand Kit section, scroll down until you find the area labeled Fonts. This is where you'll manage the fonts for your emails. To add a new font, look for the Upload Font button. It's typically easy to spot, so go ahead and click on it. Now, a file dialog window will pop up, allowing you to browse the files stored on your computer. At this point, you'll want to locate the font file you wish to upload. Remember, the font file should be in a compatible format, such as TTF or OTF, which are commonly used for custom fonts. Once you've found the file, click on it to select it, and then hit Open to start the upload process. Mailchimp will now process the file and display a preview of the font. You'll see this preview on the right side of the screen. Take a moment to review it carefully to ensure the font looks the way you expect. This step is important because it gives you a chance to double-check that you've uploaded the correct file. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back and upload a different file. Once you're satisfied with how the font appears in the preview, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save Brand Kit button. Clicking this button finalizes the process and ensures that the font you uploaded is stored in your brand kit. From here on out, you'll be able to use this font in your Mailchimp email campaigns. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a custom font to your Mailchimp account. The next time you create an email, your font will be right there, ready to help you make a lasting impression on your audience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.